Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dryer sensor is probably one of the most underrated appliances in your laundry room. It can save you time, energy, and money by preventing overdrying and reducing wear and tear on your clothes. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dryer sensors, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when making your purchase. Number 5. Romalon 279838 Dryer Heating Element. This is the Romalon 279838, a premium replacement heating element. It's designed to fit a wide range of dryer models. You can ensure your dryer is running efficiently with this upgrade. The new heating element features upgraded stainless steel for corrosion resistance. A heat insulation layer reduces heat transfer, improving safety. This means it will last longer and operate safer. We've been selling this electric heating element for 7 years. This upgraded version ensures even better performance. It's a reliable solution for your dryer needs. This kit includes the upgraded heating element and other essential components. It saves you the hassle of finding matching parts. Simply install it, and your dryer is good to go. The Romalon 279838 is compatible with over 1,300 dryer models. It fits brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and more. Check the model list to see if it fits your dryer. This heating element is rated at 5,400 watts and 240 volts. The heating wire is 25% longer than other replacements. It's built to provide excellent performance. Our service team is available 24/7 to assist you. You're also covered by a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, we're here to help. What we like? This heating element features an upgraded design with corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring longevity. It also includes a full repair kit, saving you the hassle of finding individual parts. If you have an older dryer that needs a reliable and complete fix, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The dryer sensor works perfectly. The clothes are dried to the perfect level of dryness every time. It has a great design. Number 4. Funmit 338906 Dryer Flame Sensor. The Funmit 338906 flame sensor is here to help. This upgraded version is designed to fix common dryer issues. It ensures your clothes get properly dried. This sensor is compatible with many dryer brands, including Whirlpool and Kenmore. It directly replaces multiple part numbers. This makes it a versatile replacement part. The 338906 flame sensor is located at the burner assembly. It addresses issues like no heat or insufficient heat. It can also fix dryers that won't start or shut off too soon. Made with high-quality materials, this sensor is built for durability. It meets or exceeds OEM standards. You can expect a longer service life with this replacement part. Installation is straightforward. Remember to disconnect power and wear gloves for safety. You can easily access the parts by lifting the top and front panel. Funmit provides a simple shopping experience for appliance parts. We stand by our products and focus on customer satisfaction. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like? This flame sensor is compatible with a wide range of dryer brands, making it a versatile choice. It effectively addresses common problems like lack of heat or extended drying times. If you're experiencing these issues and need a reliable replacement, this sensor is designed for you. What people say. The dryer sensor works perfectly. The clothes are dried perfectly every time. It has a great design. Number 3. XLERATOR XLSB Brushed Stainless Steel Hand Dryer. This is the XLERATOR XLSB hand dryer. It's designed for fast and efficient hand drying. It uses a high-velocity airstream to get the job done quickly. This surface-mounted hand dryer operates at 110-120 V and uses 12.5 amps. It's built to provide powerful performance in any setting. It ensures a quick and effective hand drying experience. The one-piece brushed stainless steel cover protects the unit. It's designed to withstand rust, wear, and potential damage. This ensures the product's longevity and reliability. With its contoured nozzle, it dries hands in just 10 to 15 seconds. This is 3 times faster than traditional hand dryers. It provides a quick and convenient hand drying solution. The automatic infrared sensor starts and stops the dryer. It runs for 35 seconds or until hands are removed. This feature helps save energy and improve efficiency. It meets green spec standards and earns LEED credits. It's designed to save energy and reduce waste. This makes it an environmentally friendly choice. What we like. This hand dryer offers high-velocity airflow, drying hands quickly and efficiently. Its stainless steel cover ensures durability and protection. If you are looking for a fast and long-lasting hand drying solution, you should consider this. What people say. Fast shipping. We had some questions regarding to the product and the customer service was quick on responding. Highly recommend. This hand dryer is absolutely amazing. It dries hands super fast and leaves them completely dry in just a few seconds. The air is powerful yet comfortable, and the HEPA filter gives extra peace of mind knowing it's hygienic. The sleek stainless steel design looks modern and professional. Great product, works as it said it does, has a lot of power and dries hands fast and easy to mount and wire. Number 2. XLERATOReco XLSBCO Hand Dryer, XL Dryer. Introducing the XLERATOReco Hand Dryer. It's a high-speed, energy-efficient solution for your commercial restroom needs. This dryer provides a quick and effective way to dry hands. With its powerful motor, it dries hands in just 8 to 10 seconds. This rapid drying time minimizes wait times and improves user satisfaction. This hand dryer uses 80% less energy than traditional hand dryers. It's designed to be environmentally friendly, reducing energy consumption and operating costs. Featuring new no-heat technology, it operates at only 500 watts. This innovative design ensures efficient performance while minimizing energy usage. It offers a 95% cost savings compared to paper towels. By eliminating paper towel waste, it reduces maintenance and upkeep expenses. This product is green spec listed and helps qualify for LEED credits. It's also EPD certified and made in the USA. What we like. This hand dryer offers ultra energy efficiency and dries hands in seconds. It provides significant cost savings compared to paper towels. If you are looking for a hand dryer that is both environmentally friendly and economical, you should consider this. What people say. The dryer sensor works perfectly. The clothes are dried to the perfect level of dryness. It has a great design. Number 1. XL Dryer XLERATOReco XLBWECO Hand Dryer. This is the XLERATOReco Hand Dryer. It's a high-speed, energy-efficient solution for your restroom needs. It's designed to provide a quick and effective hand-drying experience. The XLERATOReco is designed for efficiency. It uses up to 80% less energy than traditional hand dryers. This helps to reduce energy costs. With its high-speed capabilities, it dries hands in just 8 to 10 seconds. This quick drying time helps to improve restroom traffic flow. The XLERATOReco features adjustable heat and sound control. This allows you to customize the dryer to your specific needs and preferences. Proudly made in the USA, this hand dryer is green spec listed and can help qualify for LEED credits. It also comes with a 5-year limited warranty. What we like. This hand dryer is ultra energy efficient and dries hands quickly. It also offers adjustable heat and sound control. If you like to customize your hand drying experience and want to save energy, you should consider this. What people say. The dryer sensor works perfectly. The clothes are dried to the perfect level of dryness. It has a great design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.